I don't know who wouldn't want a mug like this. It's art.
Why is Gamora?
Hey everybody, it's Vault Fox, and today is day 2 of what I'm dubbing my quarantine quest to finish my Gamora cosplay, because what else am I going to do other than play Animal Crossing, drink beer, not much else. You know, it's really an important thing for society to see as we finish this cosplay. And I'm not really sure what I want to do today. I might work on the bicep pieces, I might work on the elbows, in case you need to know what an elbow looked like. Alright, so I'm going to get building. These are kind of like the rough idea of what I'm going to do for these elbow pieces, and like I was saying before, just going to flip these over and kind of like here-ish, going to just Dremel out the spot in the middle so that I can then lay a piece of elastic in there and hot glue that. So essentially what it's going to do, I'm going to cut a slit here, and then once I have that piece of elastic, I'll stick that elastic through here, and then it'll be able to kind of flex with me whenever I'm wearing it. Now I'm just going to draw in there's a couple little lines that go on the little lips here. Don't need a ruler because screw that. Just going to go over those with my box cutter. I cut it too far. I gotta redo this. God damn it. All right. Now that I have redone this because I cut too far into the foam, I think I'm going to actually use my soldering iron to kind of cut into the foam just a little bit, not like all the way through so it's like gonna fall apart. Both of these are glued up and ready to go out into the garage and, you know, smooth up these edges a little bit and fix that little thing there. And I'm also going to take out the elbow pieces as well, Dremel these up along the sides, make them nice and smooth. There's, can you see him? I don't think. Look at my husband. He's gone. I'm going to do that thing with the, I keep wanting to call these knees, the thing with the elbow pads I was talking about where I put a piece of elastic behind them and just kind of goop it in with super glue, and it's pretty simple. So what I do first is I put a big old glob of hot glue and just kind of stick it in there. Let that dry first, and I'm going to go watch my husband snake the toilet because that's what you do when you're an adult. My husband got the shit out of the toilet. I mean, not the literal shit, but the thing that was clogging the toilet. And what I'm going to do on the rest, oh, Jesus Christ. What I'm going to do is now go over this whole elastic bit. Now that that other part has had enough time to properly stick in there, glob it on there. And yeah, that's really all that there is to this. It's, you know, it's not a scientific method or anything like that. All right, so as you can see on all of these pieces, I've got some seams here where I've glued it in with the contact cement, and I'm gonna take some of this DAP Quick Seal and just kind of put that in there. And with my Diego Luna water mug, everyone needs that in their workplace, I'm just gonna smooth it in, and I'll kind of show you what I mean by that. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of it. This is kind of got a little grossiness on it, so just take it here, over there, over top of the seam. And then I go back over it with just a little bit of water, smooths it out. I'm gonna revisit this tomorrow and see if this is filled in to my liking, but I think that this will be okay. I'm not really trying to go for extreme craftsmanship with this build. I'm gonna go do this to all the other pieces I have. And there's everything that I've been able to get done so far. Got both of the gauntlets, got both of the bicep pieces. I got the elbow pieces here, and they're gonna cool off. I'm actually pretty proud of how much I've been able to get done. I think I'm going to call it quits on day 2. I've got a decent amount of work done. I've got both of those elbow pieces done. I've got the bicep pieces done. They're essentially all ready for plasti dip. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm going to wait until it's a little bit warmer, and I'm just going to wait until I have more armor to plasti dip. I like to do it in bulk. Pretty proud of how quickly I've been going. I know that this is only going to be like a 5-10 minute video for you guys, but this only took me about an hour and a half to get these biceps and the knees basically ready to be primed. That's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys are having a great day. If you're not, really hope that tomorrow is better, and I will talk to you later.